As you know, the electrical vehicle market is growing steadily. As you can check this graph. But however, along with the electrical vehicle market growth, there are so many dangerous situations, such as battery fires. Okay, so this has increased the importance of the monitoring the battery status to prevent these dangerous situations. So our research is first there's a battery management systems in EV, and there's a BMS systems. There's two kinds of BMS systems. There are cell monitoring units and control units. And our research focused on the cell monitoring units, and many battery monitoring ICs. Cell monitoring unit is composed of many battery monitoring ICs. So that battery monitoring IC's main function is to monitor the temperatures or voltage and communications. And lastly, cell balances. So one of the methods to monitoring the battery status is the EIS measurement, that is the electrochemical impedance spectroscopies. And that method can make the battery diagnosis, so that can be used to predict battery safety. And there's some demos in our laboratory, so you can find the result of this EIS. This is the signals of the output, and it is like this impedance is like battery impedance, and can push the buttons. There's a signals in the output, and we can monitoring the information of the battery's impedance. Yes. It is changed to 1 hertz, 2 hertz.
So what status it shows about the EV?
So it is
Status of battery,
not real batteries.
charging, hazard to get fined, or something like that.
So when we check the battery impedance, that makes that change to the battery's status, like battery's limit or 50% or 70%, and we can find these computers and monitoring, and then we can check the life of the
signal has been changed,
Yes, it is finished.
fully charged.
So
Where the
this is the
bat-
information of
Where the battery?
So it is not real batteries, but it is like simulation.
Simulation.
Yeah, yes, not batteries, but
Charging points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
So
thank you. Thank you.
This is also scope?
Yes, it is good.
Also
The
this
output signals.
This one, this is cam, right?
Yeah, this is a cap, and this is the impedance of the batteries.
Oh, it appears,
So,
but
yes,
you
we will simulate-
you use this one to model.
Yes, it's modeling. It is battery model.
This is a
It's not
special.
real batteries.
This is the component is used for the model the
Yes,
battery.
because this is the resistors. So resistor have the impedance.
Okay.
The battery also has impedance, so we can modeling these small resistors, because the battery's impedance is very small.
Okay.
Yes. So it is also small resistors.
But how do you generate the waveforms? For battery waveform, I think you have some waveform, right?
Yes.
You need control it, or what? How do you control the impedance?
To use the computer and
Use computer,
yes,
okay.
and the calculate MCU. Yeah, MCU.
Oh, MCU. But how do you know basically the waveform generated is the real characteristics of the battery? you try to mimic the battery impedance, right, characteristics, right? How
Yeah.
you use the MCU to emulate the
Yeah.
signal.
Yeah.
How do you know whether your emulation is real or?
Mm,
You mean the validation?
Yeah. How do you know it?
so we're simulating.
Where do you get the characteristics of the battery? So, you need to emulate, right? So
Yes.
you need to have some model based on some of the information.
In the voltage that you applied on the battery, how
Yes.
do you get that? The values, how do you?
By ADC, we get the digital data by this PC, and we,
Where do you get the data? You need to get the data first to generate the data. Some data, you need to convert your something into the signal, right?
Yeah.
Where the original data comes from.
DAC, using DAC. And
I know where the data comes from. This data. How do you generate?
by MC code.
I know
Yeah.
where the.
Sorry.
I mean, you need to emulate the battery characteristics, right?
Yes.
So where do you get these characteristics?
We get the data by EIS equipment, and we compare the reference.
Oh, EIS. Do you have the EIS equipment?
Yeah.
Oh, which one is it like the EIS equipment?
Sorry.
Which one is the EIS
Sorry
equipment?
to interrupt your discussion, but
Okay.
the professors are waiting.
Okay.